Alright guys, man, we have a really cool instrument here for you. You know, when you want something done right, you want it done super good, and I've had this one in my arsenal for quite some time, and it's EW Harp II, Etherealwinds Harp II. Go stop what you're doing and go look this thing up and go grab this thing right away. I mean, it's a really cool 32-bit VST, so you're going to need some kind of a converter or a wrapper. I use JBridge personally, and I think it's worth it, and it's hassle-free, and it works flawlessly. I have a video on that, and other than that, I think there's some other options for you, but you're going to have to go in there and find that for yourself. But we are talking about EW Harp. It is such a great, great, great sound. When you want the harp, you got a harp here that sounds really good. I think so, especially with a nice light hand here on the velocity on the notes, and you could just get the yeah, I mean, just really rich, and then I feel like that was beautiful, and I just got some scale. I'm just nailing stuff, so it's beautiful. Most beautiful thing I've ever done, and it's just all up to this great sounding free 32-bit VST by EW Harp. I mean, what else can you just say about this thing? It's got um, it's very simple UI here. You can't ask for anything more simpler than this. And volume, pan, reverb, attack, decay, sustain, and release. Man, let's pump up that reverb a little bit and. It is absolutely beautiful. I love this thing, and I mean, I could just sit here and just draw a video longer than it needs to be, and keep on just playing. But I think 3 minutes really sums everything up there, and you're probably not even watching the video anymore, and you've already gotten it. So, good luck for you. Pretty smart move on your part, and I'll tell you what, I have a really cool list of free VSTs that I'm going through right now. We are going down my line here. Some of these it didn't make it in there, and they will be getting removed. But the ones that I did talk about are the ones that are worth your time. So go check out my playlist, VSTs, my VSTs, and I'll see you on the next video.